Good morning. Myself Kritika from Cubiksoft Technologies. Today I'll be just showing you some demo sessions or an intro session for your tech class. So Tekla has two platforms. That is, one is Tekla Structural Designer and another is Tekla Structures. So in Tekla Structural Designer, we'll be seeing about analysis and design of the modules like DRC as well as DSS. That is concrete structures as well as steel structures. In Tekla Structures, we'll be taking the GA drawing. That is, I think everyone knows about GA drawing, right? That is general assembly drawings for your steel structures. So where the main source for prefabrication models. Okay, so these are the two platforms that we are covering in in Tekla software. In Tekla Structural Designer, today we'll be seeing about a simple beam model where a load will be acting on it, so we can able to find out the shear force and bending moment. So as we did earlier in our start probe. So like the same, we are just moving with Tekla Structural Designer also. So Tekla Structural Designer is an updated software in the field at present because many I mean many foreign projects has been worked under in this, and we can able to optimize the structures, and we can able to optimize the weight of the steel as per our requirement. So Tekla is an booming software right now. Okay, let's move into the session. So Tekla Structural Designer, this is the working platform. So we have to just go to new and we have to create a new project now. So this is the menu bar where we'll be having the models and editing and loading, analysis, everything will be there. And this is the working area. We'll be having two views. That is, one is the 3D view and one is the normal plan view. So let's move on. So this is the model. We have to make the model by using the model option. Just go to the model and you can go to your grid and select the grid line. You have to just specify a first grid option. Okay. And if I'm providing a length of 10 meters, then what I have to do is I have to just pick another grid line and I have to change the dimensions as per my requirement. So kindly press F2 and give it as 10 meters, enter. Okay, so F2. Okay, so I just got a 10-meter span beam. So what I have to do is I have to just place it in the 3D view. Now I can able to create a beam here. So I'm just going to the concrete and just going for beam option. I'm just picking the nodes, that is the grid places, to create a beam. So even I can able to change the section properties also. Just select the beam and go to your section detailings. Wherever it is required, you can change according to it. I'm just going with a nominal size of 230 by 300 mm. Okay, and also the grade of concrete and steel, everything can be changed. So I'm just placing it now in the default option. I'm not changing anything. So I'm just going with next. I'm moving with my support cases. So this is my support. So I'm just providing the supports on both the ends. That is as fixed one. And next is my load cases. So I'm just going with my load. So here I can't able to see any of my loads is in the activated mode, because whenever I need to go with the load, initially I have to do the editing option. So edit, go to your copy loads, then go to the load. Now you can able to see everything will be getting activated here. So I'm just moving with the UDL option now. So let me select an UDL value. Okay. So I didn't give any distance or values right now. So once I need to do the customization, just select it and go to the property box and you can change the load value. So I'm just giving the load value as 3 kilonewton and the load position starting at as 4 meters to next to another 5 meter spacing. Okay. So it will be from 4 to 9. Okay, so this is my load cases. So just now I'm doing with my analysis part. So since it is a 1D model, so I'm just going with my first order linear analysis. So first order linear analysis, select your dead load case. We'll be having default all the load cases, but I'm going with my dead load case. Just give okay. See, now your menu bar has got changed here. That is structures. That is the result view. In the result view, we'll be having the deformation. So this is my deformation option in the Z direction. So I'm just closing this. So you can able to view the deformation for 5 mm, and also you can able to view shear force and bending moment diagrams also. So this is your shear. So this is your shear force and this is your bending moment. Okay, so this is a simple model that we can able to create in our Tekla Structural Designer. We have more modules to cover, that is like frame structures, building models, all those things can be done, and also we can able to do the design part. So in the second portion, let me tell you about how to design the RC structure in Tekla. So thank you.